but that's really about it. I really,
Is there anything in Alberta?
yeah, there's a track at Calgary apparently. I don't know, I've never been there, but it's a flat circuit. Like, you know, like Portland is a flat circuit. This has got hills and elevation changes and nice corners on it.
You like this track, do you?
Yeah. Yeah, I spent a lot of happy time at this track.
Don't memorize just one bike, because maybe he died in practice this morning. Remember?
Ride it on the gas cap, that works.
Unfortunately, there are no group positions painted. So you have to sort of memorize what group you're in. Okay, have a good, safe afternoon. And the grids for the trophy and glory dashes will be posted later in the afternoon.
What time's the race?
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock according to the schedule, yeah.
Run back to back.
What in your
car races in
schedule?
between.
Same as, yes, the car race, it's in the
Yes.
schedule.
Oh, okay.
What signal do you want?
Okay. You go. So they can't see you.
Yeah.
You go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you don't let the riders see you. They walk you down. 5 seconds to go. You go like that.
Okay, so I'll be watching you rather than the car, or rather than the bike.
Yeah, okay. So what happens is that I'll go to the front line there, and I'll hold the flag up.
Yep.
And drop it, and then you'll start you up.
Okay.
Okay, and I'm
And then
like-
we walk to the next
Yep.
group, and then I watch you.
Okay, I gave you 6 that time.
And then the next one is 2 bikes, right?
Yeah, but each one's going to be different, though, isn't it?
Yes. You're gonna have to readjust.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That should be plenty for 2 sets of bikes, right?
Yeah, there's 2 sets of bikes, 2 lines of bikes in the second.
Okay, how about the next one?
The next one is 4.
That's
No,
only
2.
4 bikes. Yeah, you've got 3 rows here. The next one's only 2 rows, 2
Then 2
rows,
rows.
and 2 rows.
1, 2,